Well, good morning. We are going to some sandboarding today to a bunch of places. Had to wake up 4:30. It is 5 o'clock right now, and I'm already ready. I'm getting the gear. So we headed to our few destinations today. After a pretty long drive, we arrived at the dock where we're going to take a seaboat. Alright, we're here. Fuck! It's cold! So we did get to swim with some sea lions, which was not as scary as we got attacked by a freaking huge pelican.
Oh, hello, buddy.
Oh.
Jesus. That's huge. That's what she said.
I'd be more scared of that thing than the lion.
Get out.
Go away. Go. Go.
Something interesting on our way back is that we crossed a section where the water doesn't mix due to its different salinity. You can see the darker and the lighter colors. After we got back on land, we took the bus, and in about an hour we stopped for lunch and we started our best experience thus far, the wine and Pisco tasting.
We're leaving the wine tasting. It was pretty good. Okay.
It was, yeah.
Until the
You got drunk, it was great.
Until the, what do you call it? Hurt my feelings. What is it called?
The Pisco.
Pisco. Hurt my feelings.
Hurt your feelings?
Yeah. And now we're going to sandboard.
Yeah. It's a great idea to like drink some Pisco, get schnockered, and go sandboarding. Why not? Yeah. Well, after another hour, we arrived at our destination, Oasis Huacachina. We hopped into one of the side-by-sides or four-wheelers. And then we hopped on the sandboard. If you're a guy, that thing really hurts your cojones. Then we got a 4-hour way back to Lima. We got super tired because it was already maybe 14 hours since we woke up. Yo guys, it is 11 o'clock. I just took a shower. We are done for today. Like, done. Oh Lord, it was a long day. See you tomorrow. The next day, we started the day with a tailored coffee experience by Caesar. I will leave the link down below for any of you who wants to learn more about coffee from a passionate expert in Lima. Well, thank you very much for the presentation. It was awesome. Have a good one.
Have a good one.
After that, we went to a popular mall called La Comar. We tried causa in a restaurant called Popular and chifa, which is a Peruvian take on the Chinese fried rice. Because there was a big migration of Chinese immigrants to Peru in mid-1800s, the word "cifan" means eat rice in Mandarin, but Peruvians couldn't pronounce it. This is why they called it chifa and added some local spices. In the afternoon, we went to an unforgettable ceviche cooking class with a host who was passionate to share the Peruvian culture with us. We went to the market and tried some new fruits that I've never seen before. Of course, we tried some homemade Pisco. And then we learned how to actually cook the ceviche. We finished this whole experience with playing some authentic Peruvian instruments like donkey jaw. Yeah, it was a real donkey jaw. It's a natural... Oh, damn! The natural donkey jaw and donkey...
Tungurungkun takata tungurung.
And that was all from Lima. In the next episode, we will take the plane, go to Cusco, where we will be running out of breath because of the 8,000, 9,000 feet elevation, and we will visit the famous Machu Picchu. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you appreciate the content. Easy way to support the channel is with a like and sub. Leave a comment down below if you have other places that you would recommend. Thank you and see you in the next video.